Another haul. First off, freebies. A bunch of skincare. The Physicians Formula Butter Glow. Apparently this is a dupe for the Drunk Elephant Bronzy Drops. Every time I buy a dupe, I'm disappointed. Alone the shade is so different. Not a dupe. Looks pretty though. Gives a gorgeous glow. Way more than the Drunk Elephant drops. It would look so good on the body too. I placed a pickup order and I could just have checked like how much is in here. The Kylie Cosmetics Body Glow. I expected a body lotion type of bottle. Not that. This is 50 ml. She better be stunning. That rubbed quite into nothing. I saw a video of someone using it and they must have used the entire bottle just on their décolletage. Let me try that again. It's so hard to spread. Backup of my Glamnetic nets. This is one of my favorite styles. Redken used to make the best blowout spray. It was so freaking amazing. It was the only stuff that made my curls last. They discontinued it. I cannot get it anymore. I will try this year. I'm desperate with my Dyson to make my curls last, so the best always in the end. Alyssa made me buy them. I saw her endless videos raving about them. She didn't shut up. She says she layers them. I love the packaging. Like, some people said it looks like a vibrator. I find it quite unique. Oh wow. Like, I don't even have to spray it. Vanilla plum, sweet, praline. I like that. It's cozy, it's sweet, but it's not too heavy. It's different than I expected. It's nothing extraordinary, but really a nice, easy, wearable scent. And blush. Oh, that is so cute. Like these two together. Definitely something I smelled before, not only once. It's a very sweet, fruity, almost bubblegum-like scent. Very strong citrus. Let me layer. Oh, I love them together. First impression favorite, but we will see. That's it. Have a beautiful night.